to my channel, and thank you again for watching. Today I'm going to be doing a mukbang. As you can see, I'm back home. I'm in my room in LA and I was craving junk food, but since the new year I stopped eating meat and I stopped drinking alcohol. So I'm not vegan, but I am pescatarian, so I'm slowly going into that vegan lifestyle. And I was talking to my dad, and my dad kept talking about the Impossible Burger, so it got me excited. So I ordered an Impossible Burger and some fries. So I ordered from the restaurant Hope. It's here in LA, and it stands for Healthy Organic Positive Eating. So I'm super excited. I don't think I've ever been there, and I never ordered anything. But I ordered the chicken burger, so it's like, it's not real chicken, and some fries. So let's see. Ooh, these are like the small fries. The thin shoestring fries. I love shoestring fries. Also, this is the first time that I'm filming on my iPhone 11, so I'm not sure where to look. I think over there. Ketchup. So hungry, guys. Where are the fries? And if you know me, I don't eat my fries without mayo, and I still have a whole jar of coffee. Yo, fresh, which I'm going to open. I'm really happy I still have a jar. Oops. Oh my god. Freaking excited. Okay. I feel like I should come in a little closer. As you can see, it's amazing weather in LA. I think it's about 24 degrees Celsius. And that makes me very happy. That was actually the only positive thing when I came back. I was like, oh, at least it's summer-ish. The weather is hot. Amsterdam was freaking cold, but it was good to be home. I was happy to see everyone, and I surprised everyone. Okay. So we got a little salad here, and this is the burger, the chicken burger. Okay, it looks really freaking healthy. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna take a bite. Ketchup. I know it looks plain, but it's good. It's really good. So when I was back home, this is a disgusting topic, so if you're eating right now, I would say click off. Don't watch this part. Just skip like after a minute. I'm going to talk about this for a minute. When I was back home, I decided to do like a colon cleanse. If you've ever done it, please leave a comment down below and let me know how it was for you, because for me it was amazing. I did it 4 times in a row, so 4 days, and it takes an hour. So they stick something up in your butt, like this hose, and through that hose comes cold and warm water, and it literally cleanses. It's like a colon cleanse, so it's cleaning your colon. You have to lay on your side. In my case, I had to lay on my side, and the lady who did it for me, she was like massaging my belly. Best thing ever. I felt so light, so clean. My eczema is slowly disappearing since I've done it, because I ate a lot of red meat, especially when I came back home. I ate a lot of like raw red meat. Where I'm from, you have like filet American, and you have this like sausage, it's called ossenworst. It's like raw meat. I'm addicted to it. I ate like a whole pack in one day, and immediately the day after I ate it, my skin was itching. I couldn't go to the bathroom. I felt not like, I didn't feel good. So I was like, you know what, after this week, like after freaking Christmas and New Year's, I'm gonna do this colon cleanse because I need to get rid of all this shit in my body. So good. So yeah. So good. So good. I feel like in a mukbang you have to see all the food. You need a little table. Best decision ever. If you have eczema, bad skin, if you can't use the restroom, like if you have bad what's that? Metabolism? If you have bad slechte stoelgang, get a freaking colon cleanse. It's the best thing ever. I'm happy I did it. I changed my room, by the way. My makeup setup right there. Nice stand. My bed is right here. I'm sitting on it. My TV over there. It's a mess though. And I'm gonna put a little bit of Yo Fresh on my burger as well. So when my mom brought me to the airport, the line was so freaking long. There was so many people to check in your suitcase. So I could already like calculate in my head, like I'm not even good at math, but I could tell that if I was gonna try to check in my suitcase, I wasn't gonna make my flight. So I had to leave my suitcase behind. And literally everything I wear on a daily basis is in that suitcase. But thankfully I'm gonna be going home soon, so not soon, but like 9 months, a year. But I mean, I can still wear other things, but it's, you know, it's just annoying. Like all my favorite underwear, like everything I wear on a daily basis, like all my skirts, my shirts, my favorite pants, my heels, my favorite sneakers, they're all in my suitcase, and I don't have them now. One thing I like to do, I like to put aromat on my fries. Sorry guys, my aunt called. Looks like my phone's about to fall. Oh my god, yes. This is good. So good. And I love the fact that it's vegan and organic. I know it really looks really super plain, but it's so good. Mm. Mm. Wait. Thank you all for the sweet ass comments. Thank you all for the sweet comments on my "It's time to go home" video. Really helps me. Really sweet. And I saw one of you ask me why I'm not like friends with other YouTubers. I don't know, I feel like it's just not happening for me. Not just with YouTuber friends, but just in general. I feel like most of my friendships that I make are like one-sided, like out of me. If I don't reach out to my friends, they will never reach out to me either. Like, hey, how are you? I don't know. That's just the way I feel. So I feel like it's better to be alone than to be with fake friends, right? But that can be lonely. But I'm doing way better. I'm super happy that I got to go home. That really helps me because I got to see all my friends and family. It did change, of course. It felt a little different being home, but like there's literally no place like home. So yeah, I'm really excited to go back, to be honest. I'm drinking water, by the way. It's filling. It's really filling. I normally hate tomatoes in my burger, but this is good. I like the tomato in this burger. I know my mom's gonna cringe at this video. She hates it when people talk with their mouth full. So, my New Year's resolutions are eating healthier, drinking less alcohol. Ever since I moved to LA, I drink a lot of alcohol, which is bad, of course. I definitely want to become a vegan again. I was vegan for 4 months last year. No, I'm lying. I was vegan for 4 months in 2018. I'm gonna think way more positive. And I want to master how to truly like be happy with just me. I used to be so good at being alone, but ever since I turned 25, I feel like all I've wanted is just a relationship with someone, with a guy. Yeah, I just noticed that the last year, 2019 was very lonely for me, like I said, like really lonely. And I feel like I really just want a healthy, stable relationship, and I want to like build a family, like I want to have kids. Not right now, but I do want to like start building a relationship, and I just want that whole like family, house. And I just feel like it's not going to happen for me here in LA. I still want to work on my career. Don't get me wrong, it's not like I want to have a baby now or have babies, because I don't want more kids. But yeah, it's just, I've just been making this crazy ass shift in my life where I'm like wanting new things, different things. I think differently. I learned a lot from the last year, a lot about myself and just about what I want and what I don't want. Overall, I'm happy, and I'm excited for this year, but I'm also a little scared. Yeah, That chicken patty is freaking delicious. Delicious. So that's about it. I will be uploading every week now. I'm gonna try to upload twice a week because I actually really enjoy making videos and interacting with my subscribers. So let me know what you'd like to see. I'm so sorry for eating with my mouth full. Let me finish. A few of you were asking me if I got depressed because I broke up with my ex-boyfriend. Some of you thought that he broke my heart. He didn't. We're still good. We're still friends. So I have nothing to do with that. Honestly, everything in my life, the way that I feel, it has nothing to do with other people. It's just, I really think it's me, because I let things happen to myself. Maybe it's just wrong. Like, maybe I just don't know people as well as I think I do, and I trust people way too quick. But that doesn't mean you should accept it. Because I truly do believe that a lot of people that do have this big group of friends and stuff, they just accept a lot of bullshit. And I don't. And I feel like that might be the reason why I don't have a lot of friends too, especially here. I just don't accept bullshit. So I break up with my friends quick. If that makes sense. If I feel like I had if I feel like I can't trust you as a friend, why would I want to be your friend? So yeah. No, I'm positive. I'm way more positive than I was before I went home. Going home really helped me a lot. It helped me like clear my mind and recharge and really think about everything. And now that I'm here, I'm really happy to be here because I know I won't stay. So I'm really making the best of it. And it's also just the way you think. Like, I'm just really trying to be positive and enjoy my time here, enjoy my time with myself. And if I do that, everything should be coming to me organically.